There is a very short list of automobiles in this world that make everyone around them stop what they are doing. Not because they are loud, not because they are aggressive, but because they radiate something that most cars simply do not have, a sense of absolute, unapologetic, unhurried authority. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV belongs to that list. And after spending time with it up close, one thing becomes immediately clear. Mercedes has not just built a luxury SUV, they have redefined what the word luxury is even allowed to mean in this segment. The Maybach name carries weight that no marketing campaign could ever manufacture. Born in 1909, revived by Mercedes-Benz as the ultimate expression of German engineering and craftsmanship, the Maybach badge has always represented a singular promise, that whoever sits inside will experience something categorically different from everything else on the road. With the S680 SUV, that promise now extends beyond the sedan world and into a body style that more people actually want to live with every single day. The result is a vehicle that answers a question nobody thought to ask 5 years ago. What happens when you take the most luxurious sedan philosophy on earth and give it the road presence and practicality of a full-size SUV? Underneath the sculpted hood of the 2026 S680 SUV lives a hand-assembled 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine producing 621 horsepower and a staggering 738 pounds-ft of torque. This is not an engine that announces itself with aggression. It delivers its power with the kind of composed, effortless authority that only a 12-cylinder configuration can produce. The 9-speed automatic transmission manages every gear change with a smoothness that makes the word shift feel almost too mechanical to describe what actually happens. From standstill to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, a number that feels almost fictional given the vehicle's size and the absolute silence in which that acceleration occurs. Air suspension with active body control and road surface scanning technology reads the pavement ahead using front-mounted cameras, preparing the suspension response before the wheel even reaches an imperfection. The ride quality that results is something passengers experience more as an absence of disturbance, of intrusion, of any reminder that the outside world exists at all. The exterior of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV is where the design team made its most confident statement. The front fascia features the new illuminated Maybach grille, a vertical pinstripe pattern in chrome with integrated LED backlighting that glows with a soft warmth at night, distinguishing it instantly from every other vehicle in any parking lot on Earth. The headlights adopt Mercedes' latest digital light technology with individual pixel control across over 1 million micro-mirrors, capable of projecting guidance symbols directly onto the road surface ahead of the vehicle. The hood is long, formal and slightly raised at the center, a deliberate architectural choice that references classic coach-built proportions while sitting on a thoroughly modern platform. The roofline maintains a surprisingly elegant arc from a pillar to D-pillar despite the SUV's commanding height, avoiding the slab-sided look that plagues many competitors in this category. Dual-tone paint finish, exclusive to the Maybach lineup, separate the upper and lower body with a hand-applied two-tone combination that requires additional hours of preparation at the factory before a single drop of color is applied. The rear of the S680 SUV introduces vertical taillights that run nearly the full height of the tailgate, a design signature that creates instant recognition even in a rearview mirror at distance. The integrated exhaust finishers, deeply recessed within the rear bumper, add a level of understatement that feels entirely intentional on a vehicle of this caliber. The 23-inch forged alloy wheels in a 10-spoke polished design fill the arches with a presence that makes smaller wheels on other luxury SUVs look almost apologetic by comparison. Step inside the rear cabin of the 2026 Maybach S680 SUV and the exterior's restraint gives way to an interior environment that has no meaningful competition. The rear seats recline to 43 degrees with integrated footrests, heated and ventilated surfaces, individual massage programs with up to 10 different techniques and a dedicated rear center console that controls every function, from the panoramic glass roof panels to the rear seat entertainment screens, without requiring any interaction with the driver. The Napa leather used throughout is sourced exclusively from a single tannery in Germany and requires a hand inspection of every panel before installation. The headliner is a stretched silk blend fabric that diffuses the ambient lighting system across 64 color options. into something that feels less like cabin lighting and more like whether a specific quality of light that changes the emotional character of the entire interior space. The Burmester high-end 4D surround sound system, with 30 speakers and active bass membranes built directly into the seat structures, doesn't merely play music. It creates a concert hall that moves at highway speed. The rear seat passengers each have access to a 12.5-inch entertainment display that folds flush into the seatback when not in use, integrated with a dedicated streaming platform and a noise-canceling headphone system stored in the center armrest. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV carries a starting price of $245,000, with fully configured examples regularly exceeding $310,000 depending on the chosen exclusive Maybach individual program options. Every vehicle is assembled by a dedicated team at the Sindelfingen factory in Germany, the same facility responsible for the S-Class sedan, with a production process that averages considerably longer per unit than any standard Mercedes model. There are SUVs that offer luxury. There are SUVs that offer performance. There are SUVs that offer technology. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 SUV offers something that none of those categories fully captures. It offers consequence. The feeling that wherever you are going matters. That the journey itself is the event. That arriving is only the beginning.